Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 7th, 2020, and I'm going to be planting some Echinacea paradox. Now these are also known as coneflowers. This is a yellow variety. I've never had a yellow variety before, and my seeds have actually been chilling for, well, it's been well over the 2 weeks. I got them last year. And I just never got to plant them last year. I got them as a free gift. So I'm getting to plant them this year. For your perennial seeds, I recommend chilling them 2 weeks in the refrigerator before you plant them. At least 2 weeks. You take the seeds, you put them in a Ziploc bag, put them in the refrigerator, and then go ahead and plant them. And that helps to reduce the germination time. And they actually tell you on the seed pack for these that these can be sown, direct sown outside in the ground before your last expected frost. And that'll help, the coldness will help the seeds wake up and start germinating. So these germinate in about 10 to 15 days, and they need about 65 to 95 degrees to germinate. So that's a pretty good wide range in there for germination for these. And you want to put these about 1/8 of an inch deep. So we're going to get these planted here. So I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix here, and I already have these, my cells prepared, my seed starting mix prepared. I'm going to put 4 of these in. Now, I don't know if this variety will bloom the same year that it's sown. I'm not sure about that. I couldn't really find too much info, so I am going to keep looking. I'm just going to barely cover this seed here with this soil. Huh? There we go. There we go. So my next thing I'm going to do is I am going to get a label in these so I don't get them mixed up with anything else. But it's a little hard to do that when you're holding the camera. Just going to spray over the top of my soil here. My spray bottle doesn't want to work. There we go. Get that seed nice and moist there. And I'm going to be putting these on the heated floor with a little covering over them. And when these start germinating, I will come back and I will show them to you. Now I'm going to check on these every day, make sure that they're not drying out. A question that I get asked a lot is, how often do you water your seed starting mix? And you want to keep your seed starting mix moist but not soggy, so I check on them every day. Okay, so today is January 20th, 2021. And on January the 13th, the Echinacea, which is also known as coneflowers, did start germinating. You can see I have 2 little seedlings here, and I have this one over here starting to germinate. So I took these off of the heated floor, and I put them up on the shelf. I took the covering off of them, and I put them on the shelf up here in the greenhouse. So I'm really looking forward to seeing these bloom. Now, I don't know if these will bloom this year. I couldn't find too much information on this variety to see if it will bloom this year. I know some varieties will bloom their first year, but I'm not sure if this one here is one of them. Now, butterflies and bees love coneflowers, and they're great for naturalizing. So they're great like for if you want to do a pollinator's garden. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!